Hello, creatures of the universe. I'm sure you're doing good, thank God. I want to have a discussion today of what just happened now, and I'm very sure it will be beneficial to my viewers. I gave three boys work to do. I asked them to break stones. The stones, the stones, the stones. They started breaking, and in the process of breaking this stone, I I was surprised that human being could do that, and I was really impressed. The tools the made use of in breaking the stones was rented. So we're about two stones left to break. So I just felt I should give them all the money that we bargained. So I gave them the complete money I agreed to pay them after work, even when they didn't finish the work. So I left. I'm leaving to go and get them some money to buy their tools, but they did not know. I left, and I got them this money, 100,000, which is enough for them to buy their little tools. Getting here right now, I realize they left immediately I gave them the balance. They didn't have conscience to finish what they agreed to do. This was remaining, and the other big stone was remaining. The money we agreed for the stone was 20,000 naira. And I'm back here with 100,000 naira, which is far more than what I paid for the work. I'm here with that free for them just to assist their business with new tools. The point I'm trying to make now is they lost a free gift. They've been working for years, they never had their personal tools. They lost the opportunity of having their personal tools and getting their business to a better level just because of insincerity. People lose a lot. People never know what they lose by doing the wrong thing, by deceiving people. The fact is, behind every insincerity, there's a minus, there's a negativity, there's a repercussion. Nothing can take it away. And behind every sincerity, there's a plus. There's a plus, there's a positivity, there's a blessing, there's a testimony, and nothing can take it away. You never know what you're losing by doing the wrong things until you start doing the right things. Personally, I've achieved so much in life telling bitter truth. I've achieved so much in life keeping to promises, and I will never make a promise if I know I cannot keep the promise. I don't care what I stand to lose. Okay, if you're the person that believes in deceiving people, you've been benefiting little things, you may be comfortable with it, but why don't you give a try? Make a switch. Try doing the right thing. Try living a life without telling lies. Try living a life of keeping to promises and keeping to your word. It's not about how you start, it's about how you finish. Look at it. They did a very good job broke all this stone all the way, but they used only this one to spoil everything. In all you do, endeavor to finish well. If you start well, you don't finish well, the beginning will be forgotten. The end of everything is what matters. Ensure the end is good in all you do. I've actually benefited so much treating people with conscience, living easy life. I want to encourage all those that are doing same to remain faithful. And I want to advise all those who believe they need to lie, they need to cheat to succeed. Please stop. Just do the right thing and remain happy. Bye.